everyone, I'm Deborah. You guys might know me. I work at TaxiBaby. I'm a mom of 2 and today we're going to do something fun. It's to unbox the mifoldONE. So I think if you have not seen, it's on our social media that we have this really new product and it is actually TaxiBaby branded. So we are really excited because we worked hard to bring this in, to have something just exclusive to Asia and help parents travel better. So just a few things I would like to touch upon before we open the box. So as you can see right here, now all our products have this red label. It ensures the integrity of this product. So if you once it's open, you will know that it's open. So you're not getting a brand new piece. So if that ever happens, come back to us. So how this works looks like this. Okay, I'm going to open it now. So when you open it leaves this mark. So when it leaves this mark, that's how you know that this product has been opened. So let's open up the mifoldONE. Okay, pretty cool. Let's open this up. Okay, it comes in a plastic bag. It's a very nice orange, just in time for Chinese New Year. When you open it, make sure you throw this away properly. Don't let young children get their hands on that. So, okay. So it comes in a very nice small note. That's nice. From mifold. And this is a TaxiBaby mifoldONE. So for this, the whole product with the box is 1 kg. Without the box, the mifoldONE itself is 750 grams. So that's really pretty light. I like it. It's so cheery and so happy. So this mifold, like all the other mifolds, is for 4 to 12-year-olds. So it's a portable booster seat. So this is really good for school buses or grandparents' car, or even if you have an extra child taking a ride with you. As you can tell, it does not fold. But because of that, if you see the cushion, it's actually a little thicker and softer. So it's actually more comfortable. And I think kids do like that, like for it to be softer and more comfortable to sit on. It also has the same 3 settings. So depending on how big your child is, you can see 1, 2, 3, you can go along. My first kid, Eli, he's like 6, so he's using 2 right now. If your child needs a bigger legs, you can just adjust their way. What's special about this is this clip. Can you see this clip? Yeah, so this clip is really nice because it's a slip-in. So compared to a normal mifold, can you see the difference? So the normal mifold, you open. It has to be open and closed. The mifoldONE, you don't have to do that. So you just slip it into the seatbelt. Okay. And just like the other mifold, is also European certified. So this is LTA approved. It's, you can use it in taxis, you can use it in Grab, you can use it in your own car, no issues. You can use it in countries that allow European certified power restraints. So that's great. And it's adjustable. So sometimes we find it a little hard to adjust this. So this is a trick I recently learned not too long ago, is to pull. So instead of trying to pull this out and like adjust it, just pull this shorter. Okay, go replace it. So to adjust it easily, open the buckle, pull. Yeah, so pull to the length that you need, and then you close it. Yeah, so that's how you adjust it. Pull. So it is not difficult. It's pretty easy. The usage for this mifold compared to the normal mifold is actually exactly the same. Yeah, just that this mifold folds and this does not. If you want, I can do another video comparing the different mifolds. But besides that, it's pretty much the same. So you use it the same, your child sits on it, you buckle a seat belt, put the lap belt across, yeah, put the shoulder belt on. Just one very important thing. So before you actually use the mifold, what you can do is to get your child, you measure the height of the shoulder strap. So this is quite important. So before even you get into the car, as I'm using it for Eli and this is my first time setting this up, I would have to get Eli to sit. I have to measure all the way up to his shoulders. Yeah. So do this before you get in the car, so it actually helps you set up faster. Once the setting is set, you don't need to adjust it. I'll just put it in the bag. So for this, it should fit in this bag. So this fits into school bags, which is fantastic. Yeah. So this is easy to bring along. They can bring it to school with them, you can bring it out with them if they're going to grandparents' house. It's perfect. And you know what? We're just really happy to really be able to bring this to you. You know, keeping kids safe is what we do, and we want to make it as easy for you as possible. Let us know if you need any help, any questions. Let us know. You can always drop us a message on Facebook, you can drop us a text, you drop us an email, we will help you out there. So yes, I think that's about it. It's actually $69 for this mifold one. Sometimes we might have promotions, so do follow our social media and we will let you know. You guys have a good day. Hope to see you guys soon. Bye.